So the plan is tonight is run the summit, get a jacket, load up everything and put a tarp over top of everything. So, you know, no ice and snow gets in and freezes stuff, especially like my canopy, so it doesn't get wet. And that's tonight. So tomorrow night, we go pick up the trailer from my friend. And while it's raining, I'm assuming, we'll get the car strapped up. Because probably what I have Jazz do is meet me somewhere in like a parking garage. Get the car strapped up, strapped down. And then Friday morning, we leave, me and Dennis. And we'll head to Streetport towards Felicia. And we're going to be doing that around, meeting up around 4, making it. And then we'll be making it out there around 7 to Streetport. And then Felicia said 8 o'clock we leave. So I guess we'll take a nap in our trucks for an hour. And then we'll just head out. Oh, hey guys, didn't know y'all was there. Hey, but I need y'all to do me 4 things. I need y'all to like, share, comment, and the big main thing is subscribe. I need y'all to watch my videos. Let's get monetized. And then when I do get monetized, everybody's happy. We can do giveaways. We can do whatever is gonna make everybody happy. Peace, y'all. What's up, everybody? Okay, so today is the last day because I know we needed tires really bad for the truck and the car. So y'all saw that. Y'all saw that I put the hitch on her car. I mean, everything on her car is sound. You know, I had to tighten up her Mighty Mouse catch can. So I guess when I originally installed it, I just didn't tighten up the fittings. Maybe I was sitting there talking to her about something. Who knows? Okay, so right now I'm already got the truck loaded up. Today is Tuesday. We're not leaving until Friday morning. But tomorrow it's gonna rain and it's gonna get below freezing. So I wanted to go ahead and have the truck loaded up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a tarp on top, try to keep anything from getting wet or anything like that. So I'm putting a tarp over top. What else? And then Thursday it's supposed to snow. So main reason why I'm putting the tarp on, so nothing gets wet, nothing gets frozen, anything like that. So that's what's going on right now. So this video probably going to resume later because I guess I'm gonna tell y'all everything that we bought, but it's nothing crazy, but it's just all prep work. So we're about to go to West's house now in a sec. We got to get a sticker for her window, and yeah, man, let's get it. All right, so yeah, now it's dark. I hate daylight savings. So we're up here at, we're about to get the logo put on the back of her car. So yeah. But for anybody that don't know, this is Wes's car. This thing is stupid. It is a AMP car. Boom. Man, I remember watching this car Friday Night Drags when I had the G8. Man, this car is fucking crazy. But let me get Jazz out this car because I don't know why she always act like she's super duper shy, like she don't know people. So let me get with her and I'll talk to y'all in a second. Did you text it to me?
I probably sent it on Messenger.
Surface. But like, it seems like every time I don't bring my trailer, you know, something bad happens. So if I'm going to the track, trailer for sure.
Yeah, that's something that we need to buy. We need to buy like a 20-foot
drop shadow and yeah.
That's really nice.
Alright.
Man, this is nasty. Uh-oh. Sorry, Pat. There we go. Man, that's nasty. We can't see you, but you like it?
I do. It's nice. And I do want to get my, when I get my stickers on the side.
Still can't see you. Yeah, yeah.
Back up then. When I get my stickers on the side, I want it in that same purple suit.
Well, so have it. So we're on our way home now. We gotta go do the podcast, and yeah, talk to y'all later. And I think this guy's gonna do the outro for y'all. King, hey, tell them what you need them to do so we can buy you new toys and stuff. Okay. All right. Bro, I know. Okay. So let me translate that for them. Okay. Hold on. No, hold on. Wait. Hey. Oh, I'm in my room, y'all. It's messy. So I'm a boy. I'm a man, not a boy. Okay. So King said, can y'all please like, share, subscribe, and comment and tell everybody? Because he wants new toys. We need new toys. So thank y'all, guys. See y'all later.